I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made.
I told you.
Ngobusithi imfutshane.
Uzayibona kaloku ayithi uzayibona nje ngaphambili bayimfutshane.
Oh, hi guys. So many years later. Yo, another day, another dollar. So guys, I have a plug for you. Me and Asmos, the economic cereal, Banibamba, a timing. So guess what? What if you have to synthesize? You have to synthesize. What if you buy on Woolies on a budget? What if imanza phakathi ibheki yasinela bheka anama mandla. So ke sana ndihlala lapha ngihlela ngicinga ngoba hey. So ke so I'm always on a mission yokuthi outsmart the economic situation yokuzaba because wow. So okay, let me Google like a catalog, because my favorite store, okay, Pick and Pay. I usually go to Pick and Pay, then you go to ShopRite, okay, just because ShopRite next to Pick and Pay, and one special like it's nice. I'm going to compare to Pick and Pay. What if? Because I don't decide what to buy. Okay, fine. Maybe it's easy. I don't know. Maybe it's easy. Expensive. I don't know. But why is it special? This is my nyanya. I will look to a banner. Planning to buy 25 rand to get 2 for 50 rand. So they bought on the Woolies. I compare a lot. Okay, I'll buy special my nyanya. But let me Google the catalog corner. Then wait and behold. Oh, Plan City Nazi in it zam like essentials zam sana zibomvu because black local special Woolies. Oh, let me not waste time, man. I bet you Woolies sana. Did you know and I think that because they tata. Hey, they are tata special as but here was using the cars back on up higher, even though it's gonna cut the cars back on up Island because Bativana has approve of something like that. Ish. But anyway, guys, I went to Woolies. Yakumula was last time. There's some shika up with dishwasher and all in one yam. Yeah, and the husband was a candle. Yeah, the chicken. Yeah, it's a bit okay, right, la, omoplichiam, dishwasher, whatnot. Kanganchi. And one time as time goes by, see Pelé na, Emani Vulu, see Pelé, I don't know. Come, what's the candle now? I was a month. Aibu, where is so okay? A tool is the formana. Look. Eventually, I do eat domestos. Oh, sorry, I think you domestos, you know, most. I do eat domestos. Oh, uthatha Elena i-brand ingayazibayitheni ngoba ngakho satisfy from ivumbi nganika mali nentonto ndafumana lo. Guess what? Phuma zethu for 50 rand. kumatwayo eWoolworths 2 for 50 rand, 1 for cleaner koroba ne-toilet for izitya, and zinkulu guys, and zinkulu sendizithethile seyisebenzile ke le clean toilet yabethi yanweka kamnandi. Ndaba sizitya akho khazi sizitya khazi sendizitya zasentwana khazi nale ndathenga nale kesam ndenge ndifumene eWoolies ndafumana i-cooking oil. I think iba yi-69 okanye iba yi-79 ePick n Pay xa kwi-special yabo. Phana ndifike yi-59 iyi-60 rand. Ndaqonda thatha ba bendithatha kodwa kwam ndafumana ii-beans zayi-4 50 something rand. Beans zayi-4 siba khona phaa ePick n Pay i-special but azibikho nje ndawola ndifumene ndafumana ke i-carrot ye-10 rand khonto special. Ndathenga nezikewethu bezisame almost the same price as ngalepo special nqamakhe I might as well buy them there. Ndithenga ePick n Pay endingazifumana ngaphaa eWoolies ndaye ePick n Pay because Evan sendayo anto le ndithenga neWoolies ndento ndiyenzile ba tell it I've get because it's almost the same price. What else did you get? So that's what I got in Central VIP eWoolies. Ndathenga namanzi. Ndathenga namanzi 2 for 50 rand. 2 for 50 rand amanzi. Oh, hey. Ndithi bendithatha sana. So ke guys, ke maqhubeka ngokugrosala khotama ke. Obesiqale eclicks ke. Ndahamba ndayothenga le ndilanda bawulutry leyo. Ndizama uyitry ndayothenga lena ke clicks. Ama ndiyatry ndiyazispoila. Ndawuzama lena eclicks. Ndiyibone ekhaya beyisebenzisa sanqama yo andisayibawela bathenga ngale ngathi yabantwana. Ngithanda le uplifting. Ndayiva nqama let me buy this. So today it's my 10 by fast because I afford. Then we are trying out le comb. We are trying out le brand for clicks. I believe clicks is the brand for clicks ke sana. So sayibona mashimuzana kwi afro zethu. Afro zethu yangana. Eyana lo sihlala naye. Then ndibone lela komnye egal kuFacebook ngathi yamsebenzela, so we'll try clicks brand. I think 22 rand. Oh sana, this one is for my child because uba ne-acne, so iyamsebenzela avase ngayo ubuso phela times ngayo ubuso sure abe cutesy, very cutesy. Ndamthengela ke oil yakhe evaseline. Okay, Vaseline part. We roll on. That was clicks. So I Pick n Pay anyway. Ekhona phana i-toilet special i-60 rand ebegqibela abantu u-2ply. Qolo ke mase ndithengele u-18 ndakabawo anayo imali ka-18 athenga le. Angizihluki. Thenga ipapa. Tine colors. Thenga ipapa sisi wakho. Usifunele ipapa. Uthando, usifunele ipapa uthando. Thenga ibhitokwe. Na space man. But bendifuna le part yobana I bought eWoolies and black bandit ndithenge eWoolies on a budget. Is special. Do not run to eWoolies. Utheni ngonda orange. Hi, I am here. Dingelo. Benifuna do not walk around to Woolies. Check out ile ikhatheka Woolies wasifuna price bisho then ke walk ezingazifumani uhambe izichola kwenzini. Tag is like making essentials with chinda choda kwa tena chips. Chips is in luxury. Shaka think was him now. Asibonge Woolies. Asibonge Woolies. Yabona next time I'm gonna be comfortable shoes. All special. It's to save money because you're So guys, thank you for watching, ma'am. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you've reached this far, please subscribe, like. There is more coming.